Hey everyone, and welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I'll be teaching you guys how to properly connect your TikTok shop over to Shopify. So this way you guys will be able to import your products, your registered products, in your TikTok store over to Shopify. So without further ado, let's dive right in. So to actually do this is quite simple, and the first thing that you guys need to do is you want to make sure that you're logged into your Shopify application or your website as an administrator. So the URL goes admin.shopify.com, and here's what the dashboard looks like. And the idea here is you want to get access to the Shopify App Store. So there are two ways to get there. You guys could either click on settings, or I should say the apps tab on the left hand side of the screen. And this will pull up this little window right here, where we would want to click on app and sales channel settings. So you can either do that, or you can click on the search bar like so, and simply type TikTok. So either way is really fine, but let's do it the other way first. So here it is. It'll take you to this page with all of your installed applications and plugins for Shopify. So from here, you guys would want to click on Shopify App Store, and this will redirect you to this page right here, pulling up all of the compatible plugins for your store. And right away, you'll see TikTok here. So this actually integrates with your Shopify store, assuming that your TikTok account has a what was it called, the creator fund or something, or your TikTok for business. All of this will be integrated over to Shopify. So if you guys can't find it like I do have, like I have here, you can click on the search bar like so and type down TikTok. Hit enter, and you'll see right away that the search result for TikTok is at the very top. So you simply want to click on it, and it'll pull up the store page for TikTok where you get to install it. So to actually install it is quite simple. Just click on install, and basically let Shopify work its magic when we go to authorize it to connect to our store. So to do so, just click on install, and it's going to properly integrate onto our store. So we're going to wait for it to load. And from here, I believe we're going to need to log in to our Shopify account. Okay, so here we are. Here's what the dashboard looks like. So you guys click on setup now. It'll first ask you to connect your TikTok for business account. So when you click on connect, you'll be redirected to, actually a new window will pop up, but I'm not sure if you guys can see, but it's basically just a login page for TikTok. So from there, you simply want to log in your TikTok account, and you guys are done. So yeah, that's how you do it. So hopefully this video helped you guys out, and thank you all for watching. We'll see you in the next one. Bye bye.